finally come. I am gonna show you what's in my car. I wanna welcome you to this special day kasi hindi ako sanay na magpakita ng mga kagamitan ko. But because of your requests and because you've been subscribing to my YouTube channel, this is my special treat for you. And just so you know, ang dami-dami nating kasama sa kotse. Hindi marami. Dalawa lang pala. May dalawa tayong special guest. So, samahan niyo na ako. I want to show you what's in my car. This is just me sharing my world when I'm stuck in traffic or when I need to go from place to place. So, as you know, may nunal ako sa paa. I love getting out of my house. I just love to be on the road. I love to go out. I love to do things outside and to see the outside world. So, these are all the things that are my essentials. These are all my necessities and all of the things that I need, especially in Manila where traffic is so bad. So, we're stuck in our cars all day and all. Oh my God! Andito pala sila, mga babies. Wait lang. Guys, ito ang aking mga special guests, Churo and Chika. Ayan, nanginginig na sila sa sobrang excitement na makita kayo. So, we want to welcome you to our world inside my car. Welcome to my car! And this is, like I said, ito yung mga babies ko, Churo and Chika. They have their own car seat because kung hindi, magtatakbuhan sila dito and maguguluhan tayo. So I'm really glad na nakasanayan na nila yung car seat nila. So this was just Churo's car seat before. Pero ngayon na may Chika na, share na lang sila. So hindi ako makaka-travel without my puppies or without my dogs. And they can't travel without their car seat. Very safe ang car seat na to kasi natutulog lang sila and for some reason alam na nila na kapag nasa car seat sila, dapat behave na sila. So kahit saan kami magpunta, ayan, tulog na si Chika. Gising lang kasi alam nilang may camera. So nandyan kayo. Kahit may friends ako, my friends stay either in front or here in the back and beside me are my fur babies. So ayan ang prince and princess ng buhay ko. Diba? Senorita Churo yan eh, diba? Okay, so, where do I begin? This car can seat 6, I think, or talagang kung kailangan na kailangan. These are my shades. I have my Chanel. Meron akong 1 pair per mood. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Hindi ko lang siya kasi naaakyat. So, hindi ko siya nababalik sa dressing room ko. I have these if I feel a little bit sporty. May mga sinusot talaga akong shades na paulit-ulit. These are my Gentle Monsters. So, meron talaga akong collection ng glasses. And these are my timeless super faves. Nakikita niyo ko na wearing this parate. At meron pang isa. Wow! Dito pala lahat. So, kayo nang humusga. In front of me, kasi dito talaga ako umuupo. Ito daw ang pinaka-safe seat if you stay behind the driver. Over here in the Philippines, kasi we do drive our own cars. Ever since I started with TV work, I stopped driving and it's been 10 years. I have to admit, if I want to drive again, I have to take driver's ed. Samahan niyo ba ako pag nag-aral ako ulit ng driving para makapag-drive na ako ulit? Kasi hindi ko pa ma-drive from van. Meron akong, bigay sa akin to ng makeup artist ko si Jaja. This was her gift. My love language is gifts. So little things really mean the world to me. So, it's a mask dispenser. So instead na tissue, I get my surgical masks. These are the easiest thing. Probably also super effective. So, no matter what, I bring this. Thank you, Ja. And ito yung mask ko kanina. So, since marumi na tong isa, tinatapon ko siya dyan. I have a trash can in the car. Ay, since it's just me and you here, I can do without my mask for now. I have my... Here, let me show you. This is my Abubuts box. This is where I keep all my essentials. So, over here, I have my perfume, number 1. This was a gift to me as well. This is Eau de Sens, and I love this because it's fresh, it's peppery, but it will get me through the day talaga. So, ito talaga yung Manila scent ko. Meron kasi akong parang mga favorite scents. Meron akong mga ay, matching na siya! Where's your mask? My God! Nagpaswag ka na ba? Yes, love. What? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? You want me to carry you? Come. Come. Oh my God. Spoiled. Sobrang clingy nito. Ang hilig-hilig din tumingin outside the window pag nagta-travel. I have a perfume for every like country that I go to, and this is what I wear when I'm in Manila or when I'm in the Philippines. It just works. Match siya for me and Manila. Although hindi ko na kailangan ng perfume for my hair because of mabango na yung Palmolive, meron pa rin ako nitong Chanel hair perfume. Napupulot kasi ng hair natin yung smell ng pollution, yung mausok, yung mga ganyan, may pagkain, pag may nagluto. Just so, meron akong backup. I have my Chanel hairspray. So, sinispray ko lang siya sa hair ko. Bagay kasi siya eh. Bagay naman tong dalawang scents na to, yung perfume ko, tsaka yung freshly juiced fruits. This has celery, apple, ginger, and pineapple. So instead of coffee, I'm trying to just drink a lot of apple juice kasi that will keep me awake. I also have this. I try not to use plastic. I love using glass bottles. Plastic is also like the common thing, pero I enjoy using glass bottles para reusable siya. So I always have water and I always have juice with me. Hair brushes. This is a Tangle Tamer. So, pag kunyari buhol-buhol, for some reason na-untangle niya. So, ito talaga yung favorite brush ko. I also hand sanitizer, of course, para pagpasok sa kotse, magpe-press ako agad, maglalagay ako agad ng sanitizer. So, dalawa pa yan, just to be sure na hindi ako mauubusan. And I have my lotion. This is a paraben-free lotion na para sa mga kagat ng lamok, and kasi mahilig talaga ako sa anything na minty. So, yung mga minty scents, gustong-gusto ko. So, meron from my yoga teacher. Mainit kasi sa Philippines, diba? So, pag linalagay kasi ito, nagko-cool talaga yung balat. So, I always have this with me. Lahat ng pangpalamig, lahat ng minty, lahat ng pangpango, ayan, nandito sa abubot kit ko. And then, also sometimes, gusto ko lang talaga yung scented yung room ko or yung car ko. So, I really choose quality scents. And bit-bit ko to lagi. My Cost home spray. This is a home fragrance that I got from Paris. And I always like to just sometimes spray sa mga aircon. So, spray ko lang yun ng ganyan. Yan. And it suddenly smells like I'm on Rue Saint-Honoré. I'm in Paris and, you know, I'm on a night out, excited to have cocktails with my friends at the hotel. And it feels like the moonlight is out and it's, you know, just Cost music or just jazz music playing everywhere. And, hay nako talaga, itong mga scents na to, bumabalik. Very emotional sa akin when I smell a good perfume or a good home fragrance. Ayan, na-happy na ako bigla. Parang na-transport ako bigla sa Paris kasi ganyan talaga yung amoy na ng bahay ko. Parang incense na may flowers, na may leather, na may very sensual na may pagmamahal yung paggawa nila ng perfume na to. Ayan, ang dami kong perfume. My God, lahat na lang nahugutin ko dito, perfume pala. Mahilig ba ako sa perfume? This is Frederic Malle Eau de Magnolia. This is also floral and warm. So, I don't know ba. I just have everything here. I also have insect repellent because we are in Manila after all. So this is Luna's Living Oils. This is my friend's company. It's called Buzz Off and it's a body oil. So I use it at the beach para alam niyo yun, may extra glimmer yung balat ko pero actually insect repellent siya. So maganda to. This is really, really nice, made with BCO oil. O diba, support local pa rin ako. May shades pa rin ako. Guys, never ending. Sobrang hilig ko ba? Well, these are my Versace shades. Favorite ko din to. You saw me wearing these in Vienna. And I flew to Geneva and drove to France. Ito yung gamit ko. So, ready to go anytime. Nandito na siya sa car. And then I have a pen. Hindi to pentel pen. Mukha lang siyang pentel pen. Pero actually, peppermint oil siya. Mukha siyang marker. Pero amoyin nyo, diba? Ang lakas ng amoy. Namoy nyo ba? May peppermint. Ang lahat na ng iba-ibang klaseng oils meron ako. Pentel pen oil. These are my must-haves or ang aking survival kit dito sa kotse. Okay. What's next? Since I'm always on the go, I also have a makeup kit. Usually, ang mangyayari dyan, ito. Dito na rin ako kasi kumakain, pero dito na rin ako ginagawa ko na siyang makeup corner. Yan. Because over here is my mirror. You fit into ito, bigay ito ng Nita daw sa kotse ko. So, ito na yung vanity ko dito. So, nagiging makeup corner ko na rin siya. So, I have my complete set. Eyeshadows, makeup brushes, lip liners, foundations. I even have my Ultimune spray just in case I need to be refreshed. Minty rin to. I have my eye drops and my Shiseido foundation. Ayan, I even have my eye serums and my moisturizers here. So, I just do my makeup on the road. As you can see, dito lang ako. And I do my makeup. Tak. May mirror ako dyan. Tapos, on the road ako nagme-makeup talaga. So, I always have this. I don't waste any time. And, no matter where I go, I can put my game face on. No matter where I end up, I have my whole world with me in this van. It's my makeup corner. It's my bedroom. And then, if ever naman na hindi ako nagme-makeup, I can also use this as yung dito ako kakain. So, ganyan lang. Convenient, diba? Kain ka lang. After eating, it's best, especially these days, to just sanitize. So, I'm always in my little, sanitary bubble. I like to make sure that everything I touch will be left clean, and then I simply push it back. And throw this in my bin, and it's back to normal. So, this is a pillow that I reupholstered na pala. This is from Thailand. This silk is from Jim Thompson. I love interior design. I love perfume. I love fashion. I love all of that. So, I custom made this with my Tita Vicky. She helps me with my interior design for my first apartment 10 years ago. And then this is a gift. This is a gift. Thank you for my gift. And mahilig din talaga ako sa unan and kumot. So, ito yung kumot na nakakatawa, okay? Kasi this blanket, it has been with me since my very first film. But, I bought this blanket from Target. And I really love it. So, I don't even remember how much it cost, but it's not about how much it costs. It's that it's so light, and also, it's very cooling, because this is actually really, really warm. It's for cold weather. This is pangharabas. Ito na naman ako sa pangharabas. Ang hilig ko talaga ito. This is mga simple joys ko tong, kumot, na malambot, na super light. And then, unan din. So, meron ko galing bazaar lang to. Pero, ang cute-cute talaga. Kahit malapit lang yung pupuntahan ko, maggaganito ako, mag-uunan ako, and then magkukumot ako. I just like feeling it sa skin ko. I love the way, fur and, soft things feel sa skin ko. Kaya nga pati yung mga dogs ko, ang babalahibo nila, diba? Mahilig ako sa babalahibong dogs. Kasi I like the way they feel sa skin ko. Parang kumot din siya eh. Inuunan ko nga ito minsan, tapos bigla siyang hihinga. Buhay pala. Ayan. So, these are a few of my favorite things in my car. Actually, let me show you what's in the back of my van. van, what's in the trunk, so you can see what else I bring with me if you're interested, kasi alam kong maraming chismosa dyan. And I will indulge you. So ito basically yung world ko dito sa harap. In my car, I like to keep my toiletries. I also have a box filled with ready-to-eat food for whoever might get hungry when traffic strikes. So over here, I have my Korean instant ramen, and I have my lime tortilla chips. I also have peanuts, pantawid gutom, ganyan. And then, almond chocolate.
Oh yeah, sounds good.
Deadly. Eat in moderation. And meron din akong coffee maker na French press. Of course, ground coffee. I always have ground coffee just in case it's super early in the morning and I need an extra cup. And I have my coffee cup. This keeps it hot for a very long time. And then, meron din ako for taping or for shooting or even just, being in the car. I always bring straws with me. Now, these straws are made from avocado seeds or avocado pits. So, I like supporting brands that are not just award-winning for their technology, but brands that are eco-conscious. Kasi nga, for the Worldwide Fund for Nature, we really like to advocate the use of not just recyclable but biodegradable products. So, dito sa Pilipinas, I hope we can make something like this kasi it's very strong and it's biodegradable. So, yan. Dala-dala ko yung set of straws ko. And then, over here, moving on, nandito naman ang mga toiletries ko bilang babae. Mahilig talaga akong magdala ng mga toiletries. So, syempre kasama na dyan ang toilet paper. And then, yung mga female products, ganun na lang. And, can I do say, hindi ako endorser nito, but napakalaking believer ko talaga dito. So, guys, kung naririnig nyo to, I hope padalhan nyo ako ng isang katutak na products nyo. Kasi matagal ko na talagang ginagamit to and irinereto ko siya sa mga kaibigan ko and co-actors ko. Ito talaga, lahat ng Pilipino kailangan to. Lahat ng nasa Metro Manila kailangan to. Ang mahiwagang taran! Jingle bag! May jingle bag ako. Super like ko siya. Jingle bag. Lagi kayong sold out. Padalhan niyo ako nito.
If you sit down.
Stuck ako sa traffic ng mga 4 hours in total or more. For sure. Avail ko talaga yan. Ginagawa niyang gel. Yung ano mo, twinkle mo, gano'n.
Wow.
So, pag nag-twinkle ka, gel na siya, solid na siya, tapos itatapon mo na lang siya, ganyan. But I'm not sure, okay, na biodegradable siya. So, sana makagawa tayo ng mga biodegradable products na katulad nito para mas okay pa siya sa earth, okay? So, ayun na, di ba buong kaluluwa ko, kinuwento ko na. Anyway, speaking of, meron akong liquid hand soap, antibacterial, always and forever. I also have nasal spray. This I use every day also to wash my nose, and then of course mouthwash and all the female products na I'm not gonna get into kasi na. So sumusobra na. Okay, ito naman disinfectant. Meron din akong flashlight kung paano gamitin. Hindi ako sure, pero pagdating ng emergency, I'm sure sa panic ko, mapapaandar ko siya. And apart from that, isa sa mga emergency stash ko, bukod sa first aid kit ko, huwag niyo akong i-judge ha, kasi for sure pati kayo, kung may choice kayo, gagawin niyo rin ito. Meron akong secret stash ng red wine. Red wine lang naman. So, ang red wine kasi nakaka-relax talaga siya sa akin. And I always have friends na kabiyahe ko. So, let's say mag-out of town kami, magdadala na ako ng good bottle of red wine. And I just have a habit of having a glass of red wine every night. And I have playing cards. Ito pala yung first aid kit ko. Nakasulat, first aid. Kung ayaw niyo pang maniwala, first aid kit ko to. So, hindi ako nurse. Hindi ako marunong gumamit ng lahat ng to, but I'm sure in case of an emergency, malalaman ko nang gamitin lahat ng to dahil sa panic. Hopefully, never mangyari. I also have umbrellas. Always bring umbrellas, especially this is a tropical country, and it's raining all the time. This is a very rainy season for us, so this was not a car tour, but I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what's in my car. Now you know what's in my world when I'm on the road, and maybe one day I can actually pimp this car and customize it, and maybe we can do an actual car tour. We'll see, but for now, that's it, guys. I gotta go as usual. This girl's on the go, and I'll see you guys soon, or maybe just on the next video.